Welcome to Texas Law Encounters, your home for raw police footage. Everything you are about to witness is for educational purposes only, and all suspects are innocent until proven guilty. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell so you don't miss any new content, and as always, enjoy the video. On December 1st, 2018, Officer Elston was providing coverage for undercover units conducting surveillance at a location that is known for narcotics activity. Approximately 2 hours prior, a vehicle had left the area which led officers on a pursuit. The pursuit ended with the arrest of the suspect, and a large quantity of narcotics was found in the vehicle. Officer Elston activated his emergency lights on his marked patrol unit to conduct a traffic stop. As he did so, the Honda immediately accelerated. They continued westbound at a higher rate of speed than normal and immediately turned into a driveway. A felony stop was conducted, and the driver and sole occupant of the Honda, identified as Chinna Rose, was taken into custody without incident. Rose is currently on federal probation for conspiracy to distribute crack cocaine. Rose was placed under arrest for evading arrest in a vehicle and transported to jail.
From the outside, open the door. Do it now. Keep your hands up.
Passenger. Dog. There is passenger though.
Stop at Grandview Metalwork.
Put your hands up. Turn around. Keep turning. Keep turning. Stop. Put your hands over your face. Walk straight ahead. Do it now. Stop. Take 2 steps to your left.
Zipper for 20, market 2200
Keep going.
Grandview.
Keep going. Stop. Walk straight ahead. You guys got it?
Keep walking back. Keep walking back.
There's 2 dogs in the vehicle.
Can y'all just run home and get the dog?
Yeah. You're the first person that has told me the truth tonight.
Yeah, I learned that works better.
Yeah,
Yeah, I've been locked up for a minute.
it does. Hi, Miss Rosemuth. Talk to some of the brass out here. We'll see what we can get accomplished, all right?
You tell them I'm sorry. I didn't mean to run like that. I really didn't.
All right.
Zebra 312, can you check on the record?
Trying to go ahead and slide on out. Checking on back.
I'm Officer Mergerson. I'm going to search you. Do you have anything on you that I need to know about or that's going to poke, stick, or cut me?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Is that a brush in your pocket? Okay. I'm going to set that on the end of the police car real quick. Nothing in that one. Other than your jacket and this hoodie, do you have anything else on over everything?
I can't remember. Oh, come on. Yeah. Basketball shorts.
Okay, what's under the shorts?
Box.
Okay.
Henry Small there, 024, 3400 stall.
That's your money. Some more change. There we go. So I'll roll away. I have sort of light. Okay. Basketball shorts. I'm gonna pull these up, okay? To this side. That's just the receipt. And your keys. Check the front. This pocket. More change. Oh, that's just a zipper. Do you have a bra on at all? Okay. Let me use the back of my hand and check. And then I'm going to pull your bra and then just make sure nothing comes out of your shirt, okay? Check on this side. And then check behind. There's nothing there. Check the strap. You see the flashlight? Okay, and then I'm going to take a quick peek down the front of your bra.
Actually, I didn't have my.
Okay. And then it's just your stocking, your hair is short, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. I don't. Yeah. I just couldn't turn it inside out because it's like part of it. But I don't have, well, basketball shorts in pocket.
Was it pursuit or just
I don't think he's going to put her in for evading. So if he's not
Okay.
for evading, then it's not a pursuit.
All right.
She really
Okay,
only
so I'm going to ask one more time. Do you have anything else on you that I need to know about? Because when you go down to the jail, if you take it in there, it's going to be like an automatic. Okay.
They're going to make you squat
Do you have a-
off, so you got it inside you. Like,
Okay.
you've been down before, right? You know.
Do you guys have any bags? I don't have my duty bag with me, so usually I just put it in there.
You on probation right now? Yes, sir. Federal probation? Yes, sir. He's going to revoke your federal probation.
I'm guessing, yeah.
All right, Shane, here's what's going to happen. You're going to go to jail tonight for evading. When you get down there, they're going to search you again. Is there anything that you have on you that you need to be concerned about? Nothing. Nothing whatsoever. All right. Go ahead, go on in.
I opened it when I was standing there. Because that's what I thought too. And I pulled it, I was like, oh, yeah, jackpot. But, like, who rolls money up like that? Oops. And then that's her key. Yeah. There you go. And her everything's your guy.
You didn't need any drugs or anything, right? I don't want you to get sick in the back of this car.
No,
Well, they found a little baggie or something that said it looked like it had some sort of residue in it. We haven't obviously tested it to see if it was drugs or anything.
No.
So they were just concerned, like, well, if she ate drugs, she's gonna start feeling sick in a minute. So. Okay. All right. Fine.
Keep an eye on
family and medical.
Appreciate it.
So does it have to be evading if I did?
Your incident has been updated.
Huh?
Does it have to be evading if I did pull over?
Well, yeah, because at some point almost everybody stops.
Thanks for watching Texas Law Encounters. Your support makes this possible. If you enjoyed today's video and want to see more, head over to our Patreon and become a member for exclusive content. Or check out the suggested videos on your screen. We'll see you in the next Raw Police Encounter.